Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to take you through our brand new Mastercraft 2020 XT22. From a distance, as you can see, this boat has the wakeboard clamping racks with the swivels. It has the Klish tower speakers. We got the fiberglass swim deck on this boat. It's a beautiful blue and gray exterior with the blue and cloud white interior. It's got the nice step through coming on over. This boat's equipped with Decadence gray flooring. You can remove this flooring. It's really nice, easy to clean, feels really good on the feet too, doesn't get hot at all. We have the 7-inch screen on this boat for all your controls, for all your systems. Walking through to the front of this boat, we have the air dam door, so you can close it off and stay warm on those cruises. It's a very nice billet door. Plenty of room up front. Nice wide bow. It has a nice curved contour. When you're sitting in this boat, this is the view you get. You're not blocked by the windshield. It actually angles you, so you're sitting right back and you can see the surfer behind the boat from either side. It's very nice. You got multimedia hookups up here for USB, 2 speakers, cup holders, just tons of room. I'm 6'2", and I can completely stretch out in this boat at any angle. Tons of room for all your friends and family in this boat. Come on out to MarineMax in Greenville and check out this beautiful 2020 Mastercraft XT22. And come on out to our boat show that's coming up soon at the end of this month, January 23rd to the 26th, and see all of our new lineups of the Mastercrafts. You can get a hold of us at 864-235-9005 or check us out on our website at MarineMaxGreenville.com. Thank you so much.